Mommy's Kitchen. Today I bring you a recipe that is typical from Galicia. Today we are gonna make Galician pie. This recipe is delicious and I'm going to show you how I made the filling and also the pastry. A lot of people usually buy the pastry at the supermarket, but if you do it yourself, you notice the difference. So let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, we need onion, red pepper, green pepper, tuna loins, 6 tablespoons of fried tomato, a small glass of olive oil, 650 grams of flour, 200 milliliters of milk, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and don't forget to prepare 1 or 2 boiled eggs. Let's prepare our vegetables. Peel and cut the onion into medium pieces. Remove the seeds from the red pepper and cut into medium pieces. Do the same with the green pepper. Pour the oil in a frying pan, and when it's hot, add the vegetables. We are going to fry them over medium heat for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will strain the oil from the tuna and separate the slices. Add the fried tomato to the vegetables. Add a little salt and mix well. Turn off the fire. We are going to strain our sofrito to extract all this oil. We will use it to make the pastry. Put the vegetables in a bowl and add the tuna. Mix well. Chop the boiled eggs and mix until all the ingredients are well integrated. Now we have our filling ready. Let it cool completely. Let's prepare the pastry. We will need 200 milliliters of oil in total. So I add the oil from the sofrito and add olive oil until I reach 200 milliliters. Pour the flour into the bowl of our mixer, add the paprika and salt, add the milk and mix a little. Add the oil and mix. We finish kneading with our hands and make a ball with the dough. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Prepare a greased mold with oil. Divide the dough in two and stretch well with a rolling pin. This dough is consistent. You have to make a little effort. More or less half a centimeter or less if you can. I roll it on the rolling pin and put it in the mold. Stretch the other half of the dough. Pour the filling and spread it well. Cover with the other half of the dot and cut the edges that are left over. With this dot, decorate as you like. We have to make a hole in the middle so the steam can escape and the pie doesn't break. Brush with beaten egg and bake in the oven for 45 minutes at 200 degrees. Well, so it's ready, guys. It has been scandalous. It has lasted less than a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos every Wednesday. And we will see you next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!